Hey, Jay, how are you today? Are you taking care of yourself?
Yeah, hanging in there, trying to get through the day.
I hope you've eaten. I know you probably forgot to eat.
Yes, I have. I didn't feel like, but I knew you'd ask. So.
I've been worried about you. I know that you're struggling. I hear it in your voice and I want to help you. But I can't do that anymore. It's getting too hard for me. Can you understand that?
I, but I'm getting better. I'm trying to get better. I'm getting better for you. For us.
I know you're trying. We've talked about it so much. But it's not getting better. And I can't be the one to fix everything. I can't be the one to fix you. Do you get what I mean? I need space to heal. We both do. I can't keep carrying you,
But,
me, us. I'm exhausted.
We can walk through this. I don't want to lose you. I need you.
I can't be your only lifeline. It's not healthy for either of us. I need to let go, and I hope you find the strength to do the same. I love you, Jason. Hey, Jay.